Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Favicon Hostinger. Now, to add a Favicon on your hosting website, just log into your H panel, and on the left hand panel click on websites, and then I want you to go ahead and click on edit website on any website you want to do this for. So here we are on this website. It is currently loading up, and then on the left hand panel, what I want you to do is click here on more, and then here you'll see a bunch of different options. What I want you to do is go ahead and come here and click on general settings, and here the first thing you'll see is Favicon. So Favicon, you can change it by clicking on update here and then click on add image, and then you can choose from any of these images from your library, or of course you can upload your own files just by clicking on this, and then you can go ahead and choose your image. So I'll scroll down. Let's say you want to have this one, click on open, and then it is currently being uploaded, as you can see, and you can click on select, and there you go. This is the image. You can save your changes, and you can go ahead and preview that as well. This is what it will look like. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.